Usually when I do these lawsuit videos, 99% of the time they never go to court. All of a sudden I stop talking about it because the company reaches out to resolve the issue. And consequently, y'all don't get to see the whole process. So I put this timeline together to show you how I fight corporations. Long story short, Ashley Furniture tried to make us keep a couch that we didn't order by saying that all sales are final. Not true. Step one, I filed my complaint with the Federal Trade Commission, the state's attorney, Better Business Bureau. I leave a bad review on Google and Yelp, and I do it all in under 5 minutes using AI. Watch video number 1 to see that process. Step 2, find the CEO on LinkedIn, get their email address, send them a message, send that complaint letter also to the corporate office. Now, the whole time from step 1 up until now, I'm airing them out on social media. That includes all platforms. I'm tagging the CEO, hashtagging the company, everything. 75% of the time, this is where it all stops. The company reaches out. They try to resolve the issue. They'll even give you extra to go away. Ashley Furniture seems to be bowing out now, and they're coming to get their couch. Now, the other 25%, they want to call your bluff. You're just going to have to send them a lawsuit. They're not going to care about what you got to say until the sheriff knocks on the door. Again, you take your AI-generated complaint to fill out the lawsuit form. It's 1 or 2 pages. It's not complicated whatsoever. The courthouse files these papers. Then you got to serve the company. The service is an official hand-delivered paper. Some states, anybody over 18 can do it. Other states, you need to be a process server. I like to use the sheriff's office because I think it scares them a little more and it's cheaper. After they get served, they know you're serious. Almost all the companies immediately want to settle because it's cheaper to just make things right with you than to go to court. At this point, you got to remember that you're in charge. They tried to rip you off. They put you through all this aggravation. And the only way that they wanted to listen is when the sheriff showed up. No, you're going to fix the problem, reimburse my costs, pay me for my time and my aggravation. Every single time I got everything I asked for. Don't let them talk tough to you because you're in charge. Now, usually at this point, they're going to give you what you want. The only thing is that they'll probably ask if you not talk about it anymore. And you might have to agree to that in writing. I never have a problem with that. If they go above and beyond to make things right. Now, if they take this all the way to court, you can talk about it as much as you want. That's why I talk about Stripe, because they actually went all the way to court with me. They didn't even have a defense. The way I see it, companies know when they're doing a ditty on you and they don't care because most people are willing to take it from here to there. I'm not a lawyer, but I sue a lot. Pro se litigation has been on both sides of the law.